When it comes to vase spinning, the first thing we need to understand is the principle of metal spinning. Metal spinning forming is a symmetrical rotating forming process for sheet metal, which is often used in furniture, lamps, tableware, crafts, aerospace and other industries. Suitable material, suitable for warm metal sheet, such as stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum, titanium and so on. Step 1. Fix the cut round metal sheet on the machine mandrel. Step 2. The mandrel drives the circular sheet metal to rotate at a high speed, and the tool with a runner starts to press the metal surface until the sheet metal is completely fitted to the inner wall of the mold and formed. Step 3. After the molding is complete, the mandrel is removed, and the top and bottom of the part are cut for demolding.